If you have kids, you know that all sorts of stuff gets lost under the couch. What we're going to do today is show you how to remove the covering on the bottom of the couch. That way you can clean everything out. Then we're going to show you how to reattach everything. So the first thing you need to do is use a small flathead screwdriver. And you want to wedge it in and pry the staple loose. You just need to pull it halfway to loosen it. And then you're going to take some pliers and pull out the staple. If you end up breaking it, just try to pull the pieces out. So here's all the pieces of staple that we took out. If the pieces of staple break, make sure that you pull both sides out so that you don't cut yourself. So these are the tools that we use. We use the flathead screwdriver and we use 2 different sets of pliers because this one wasn't strong enough to pull some of the broken pieces out. So we ended up using these pliers to get better leverage. So we ended up taking the staples off the whole back row so we can get the flap out wide enough to take everything out underneath and clean it. So this is everything that came out of the couch. 3 years of junk since the last time we cleaned it. After we cleaned the couch out, we kind of tilted it, shook it, and hit it from the top just to remove anything that's still loose and stuck inside. Now that we've cleaned everything up, we're going to staple the couch back together. We're going to use a staple gun and a hammer, just in case the staple doesn't go in all the way. So in order to re-staple the couch, we decided to flip the couch over just to get better leverage and make things easier to work with. We should have done this earlier when we were taking off the staples just to make it easier to work with. So first you want to line up the staple gun flat to the surface. Hold it down firmly and then pull the trigger. Now that we've gotten all the staples in, as you can see, some of the staples didn't go all the way in. So we're going to use this hammer to hammer it in. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel for more DIY videos from the Everyday Housewife.